ती हांव आसलो वळवय हांगा गणेश चतुर्थीक भावाचो फोन येयलो 1:30 सुमार रातच्या. मातशें हांगा कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाला यो म्हणून. हांव 2:30 सुमार पावलो जाल्यार हांगा सगळें जळयलें आसा.
And some two boys came in the motorcycle. It was late night at 1 o'clock, and they woke me up by horning. They kept on horning, and I was got up from my bed, and my daughters were saying, "Mama, someone is phoning. Please come out." So we came out. Those boys were saying fire. Then afterwards, we looked at the fire. I was helpless because my son was not there at home. And then I went and phoned my side neighbor, uh, Rajan, uh, Kalangutkar, and then they answered me. And then I also was panic. I did not know how to talk and what to say. We went there. And those two boys said, "We are going to inform the police." And they went to inform the police, and the police and those two boys came. And that time I came out, and she also came out.